Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Listed company Derrimon Trading has secured a $13 million loan from the private sector lending arm of the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB Invest. The agreement was signed last week. IDB Invest has approved a facility for Derrimon Trading, which will see the company receiving funding to boost agricultural productivity. CEO of Derrimon Trading, Derek Cottrell, says the project will help modernize the company's existing warehouse structure and increase efficiency by helping the company keep proper inventory.
But it's significant for Jamaica because the use of funds will be to help not just our customers and our shareholders, but also suppliers. Some are local farmers. Funds will be used to enhance pig farming, local agricultural farming. It goes to the region where we ensure that we have a more sustainable facility and pipeline for commodities that are Caribbean-based.
Tourism Lead Investment Officer at IDB Invest, Stephen Wright, says the loan will also help Derrimon reduce its greenhouse emissions.
It will also increase market linkages from regional imports, particularly from Guyana and Suriname, where Derrimon imports rice and margarine products, key staples of the Jamaican diet. Additionally, as part of the company's modernization efforts and increased efficiency, the project will also contribute to reducing its greenhouse gas emissions, increasing its current use of renewable energy by approximately 4 times. The project includes an environmental and management plan that will also focus on continuous improvement of Derrimon's environmental and social management system.
Derrimon is expected to increase its purchases from local suppliers by 25%, especially supporting micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. Regional imports are expected to be more than doubled. It's expected that there will be an 8% increase in new employment as a result of this project. After that NCB story, NCB Jamaica is selling its subsidiary NCB Cayman to Berkeley Financial Holdings. NCB Cayman Limited is a commercial bank domiciled in the Cayman Islands, which operates under a Class A license from the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, CIMA. Now, Berkeley Financial Holdings Limited is a financial services group based in the United Kingdom. Interim Group CEO of NCB Financial Group, Robert Almeida, says the move is expected to yield significant financial inflows for the group.
To optimize and maximize our return on equity while we simultaneously enhance customer experience and strengthen governance. This is a perfect transaction that's completely aligned with our strategy in that we are freeing up some capital that we can reallocate to enhance our return on equity. Secondly, we are able to maintain our presence in Cayman, so to support our global expansion aspirations while we partner with a great firm in Berkeley.
Now, the completion of the transaction is still subject to conditions, including all necessary regulatory approvals. Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.05. The Canadian is going for $115.40. The pound is selling for $197.91, while the euro is trading for an average $169.90. The JSE Index gained 4,037 points today, while the Junior Market Index increased by 11 points. Among the 50 winners were Jamaica Producers Group, Cargo Handlers Limited, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Mayberry Group and Kingston Properties. The 40 decliners included G West Corporation. The Lab. So the 40 decliners that we're talking about includes G West Corporation, The Lab, Everything Fresh, Epley, Salada Foods, Jamaica. 22 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.